I'm Dr. Monica Samant, pediatric ophthalmologist working at Lakshmi Eye Institute. So first let us go into the fact that what does a mobile cause to a child's eye? A, it causes distress, it causes digital strain. So what is digital strain? So when a child keeps watching the mobile constantly, his eyes get fatigued, and over a period of time, they start getting headaches, irritation, watering. So if you go and see the research that has been done, it is told that by seeing mobile for more than half an hour a day in continuation, a child definitely will land up with glasses over the period of time. Lot of children who look at the mobile for a large amount of time, they stop blinking. The blink rate in children is very low, and this leads to formation of dry eyes. Now this dry eyes continue throughout their young age and teens, and by the time they are in their early 30s, they usually have something called as a dry eye syndrome. Most important is that many children, after watching these mobiles for a long time, start having squints in their eyes. So they may not be born with squints, but they start getting squints after they have been looking at the screen for a long time. In today's age, we cannot stop them from not having mobiles. So what we can do best is to see that they have it in less amount of time and what all things they can do with it to stop what is going to happen to them. A, we follow the 20-20 rule, because any kid who is a teen will be looking at the mobile for a long time. So what they can do is at every 20 minutes, look for 20 seconds at 20 feet away so that the muscles get relaxed. 2, we tell the children to blink a little more than what they usually blink and not just stare into the screen so that we can avoid dry eyes. Thirdly, we see that they take breaks. They don't watch the mobile continuously for 1 or 2 hours, but after every half an hour, they take a break and go ahead. One of the ways that we can avoid children doing this is by sending and having them do more outdoor activities. The outdoor activities not only help them physically and maintain good health, but at the same time, it has been proven by research that children who are more exposed to sunlight definitely have less amount of chances of getting glasses. Secondly, it's very important that the child has good diet. If you have a good diet, you have a good immune system, and this immune system helps you with healthier eyes. It may not stop you from having glasses, but it definitely helps you to have a healthy eye. So even if you are exposed to a lot of mobiles or to digital screens, even then if your immunity is good, you might be somebody who might get things a little lesser than someone who is not in that bracket. It's necessary that every child after 1 year, his eyes get checked every 1 year up to the age of 18 years so that we catch the diseases or disorders early and we can treat them well.